Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a contact list in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Contacts in the left-hand menu. Next, click Create List. Enter a unique name for your new contact list. Choose a descriptive name that helps you identify the purpose of the list, such as newsletter subscribers or webinar leads. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Your new contact list is now ready to use. You can start adding contacts manually, import contacts from a CSV file, or collect new subscribers through sign-up forms and landing pages, when creating email campaigns, newsletters, or automation workflows. You'll be able to select this contact list as your audience. Using separate contact lists makes it easier to organize subscribers and send targeted email campaigns. That's it. You've successfully created a contact list in GetResponse. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 high-converting email subject lines for affiliate marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials.